Mastering polite introductions. Pleased to meet you, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very common but essential phrase in English, pleased to meet you. Whether you're at a networking event, a casual meeting, or even a job interview, knowing how to use this phrase can make a significant difference in how you're perceived. So, let's get started and master the art of polite introductions. Pleased to meet you is a phrase used to express happiness or satisfaction in meeting someone for the first time. It's a hallmark of politeness and good manners in English-speaking cultures. When you say this, you're not just making small talk. You're conveying respect and a positive attitude towards the new acquaintance. This phrase can set a friendly tone for the entire conversation or interaction that follows. First impressions are crucial. They can influence how a person perceives you in the long run. Using polite expressions like, pleased to meet you, helps create a positive first impression. It shows that you're courteous, respectful, and interested in building a good rapport. In professional settings, this can be particularly beneficial, as it sets a foundation of professionalism and respect right from the start. You might wonder about the appropriate context for using this phrase. Typically, pleased to meet you is used during the first introduction to someone. It can be in a formal setting, like a business meeting, or a more casual one, like a social gathering. Here's how to use it effectively. Make eye contact to show sincerity. Offer a handshake if it's culturally appropriate and safe to do so. Say the phrase clearly and with a friendly tone. Remember, the way you say it is just as important as the words themselves. A genuine smile and a positive demeanor can enhance the warmth of your greeting. While pleased to meet you is widely accepted and understood, it's not the only way to express your happiness upon meeting someone new. Here are a few variations. Nice to meet you, delighted to meet you, happy to meet you. Each of these carries a similar sentiment but can be chosen based on the level of formality of the situation or personal preference. We hope this video has helped you understand the significance and usage of the phrase, pleased to meet you. Remember, mastering such polite expressions is key to making lasting positive impressions and building strong relationships, both personally and professionally. So, the next time you meet someone new, don't hesitate to use this phrase confidently. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay curious, and keep learning.